blow his fucking brains out. Call him Kurt Cobain. Nevada this, bitch!
And this random red guy. See how fast he goes.
Oh, why is that McMaster's bottle not in there?
Well, if I'm Kurt Cobain, that makes you Courtney Love.
At least just, well, you're a drug addict, so I guess it's okay now.
Well, tell the devil I said hello when you get to hell, bitch.
Oh, like I'm going to hell.
Where the fuck would you go?
Well, since I'm God, I would presumably go home.
That's
Got it.
hysteria.
Alright, shoot it Ryan.
No.
Are you getting your reaction for when I actually shoot you out there? It'd be kind of sweet.
Don't shoot me.
I think it'd be sweet. And we're back with,
Two cans.
Let's go for it, buddy. Fuck it.
which one should I hit, the bush or the natural light?
Go Bush first.
And I caught the BB in my fucking shoe.
Epic.
Fuck
recording.
yeah.
Keep recording.
Alright.
Throw it back in your head.
Still recording. Oh, the back up. Oh, look at Andy. Yep. Alright, Ryan. Just in case he fucks up, say your prayers, buddy.
Hold them. I won't hit your hand.
I'm not gonna hold them.
I won't hit your hand, I guarantee you.
Here, do another one.
Go for it.
Ooh! Nice turn! I hit the can and bounced off.
Oh.
Grab it on. Do it, quick! He's recording.
Fuck yeah.
Sorry.
Keep going.
Come to me. Look at
Hey,
my
buddy.
face. All right,
Oh,
all
yeah,
right,
look at it.
all right.
Smile. Do something sexy. Oh, there we
Now
go.
whip your dick out
Yeah.
and start beating up.
And now back to the action. Yeah. Alrighty.
Alright.
If it hits me, hit me in the forehead and not in the
Wait.
eye. I need the empty can.
It's like the bitch with the apple on her head. Stay still, don't freak out. You want me to count down or just do it?
Let's do it.
Please tell me you got that.
I did.
Is that not fucking sweet? Yes! Yes!
Boom.
Neat.
Hey, final words.
We're out of BBs.
Does red mean stop?
Red does mean stop.